Hi guys, greetings of the day. Myself, Professor Vijay Tavarnan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel to receive the latest video updates of VTU as and when it is going to be released in its website for the sake of students. Now, VTU has released one of the exam notification on 31st July 2020. Today we are going to have a detailed discussions of the same. I'm clicking on the notification which is getting open. So this is the original notification which you can obtain from the VTO website, which is generated by Dr. Satish Annigiri sir, Registrar Evaluation of VTO, with respect to the reference number of the circular as 300, generated on 31st July 2020. The notification is for submission of online application forms for all semesters BE, BTech, BArch, B-Plan, MBA, MCA, MTech, MArch examination to be held during August or September 2020 by the eligible students. And you are also instructed to go through the special regulations which is generated by VTO with reference to the reference number 1386 dated 24/7/2020 for more information. And how to do the filing, the scheduling of events in detail is there in the table. So the schedule is given between 7 a.m. and 10 p.m. only. Your URL will be open on the scheduled days. Now what are the things are there events we are going to discuss in detail. Communication of passwords to students from colleges will happen between 3rd and 4th. That means the college is going to generate a separate password for each and every student through the online VTU portal, by which student can able to apply the exam application from your location only without moving physically. So that's why you are required to have the password. That password is going to be generated by the college and on 3rd and 4th, for which student is instructed to be in touch with your college authorities. Either it could be principal or it could be HOD or the designated staff for the same, which is communicated by the college end. And when you are supposed to start your exam filling applications, it should be between 4th and 8th of August. 8th of August before 3 p.m. you are supposed to complete your exam application process. And the college principals or the college authorities or the designated staff is going to approve your applications between 5th and 9th of August 2020. And your hall tickets will be generated on 11th August 2020, and the college is going to submit your collected fees to the university on 18/8/2020 as per the notification of the circular. Now, this has to be brought to each and every student and to the college or all the VTO faculty members. And here there are four enclosures are there, that is called as Annexure 1 refers to general instruction to students and colleges. Annexure 2 refers to procedure for filing examination application form. Annexure 3 refers to conduct of examination details for each category of students. And Annexure 4 refers to eligibility chart and fee structure for the students. Now you can see the detailed information. I have already prepared the video and now I have already put it into split video. Now you can refer to that split video in detail. Now here, this is going to be the annexure for applicable to CBCS scheme only, excluding architectural students. For architectural student, there will be 10 semester. You can refer to the 10 semester as final semester. Now, intermediate students refers to second, fourth, and sixth. Now, assume that you are in the fourth semester and you are supposed to pay 300 rupees as your regular fees, along with 75 rupees as a mass card fees and 20 rupees as a application fees. But you are not supposed to attend any examination for the fourth semester is concerned if you have attended the classes during the academic year 2019-20, that is odd and even semester you have attended, where in the even semester from March onwards due to COVID the classes was conducted online. For such students only this is applicable, that is 395 rupees. And if you are having any number of backlogs in the preceding semester, either it could be first, second and third, together you might be having only two subjects backlog along with the regular fourth semester, then you are supposed to pay 695 rupees to the college. And if you are having four number of backlogs, then you are supposed to pay 995. Now in the same fashion, either you are in second, fourth or sixth, the rules are applicable, even 8th semester architectural students. Now, architectural students and the final year students, that is 10th semester and 8th semester of BE, BTech, B Plan and MTech, MBA, MCA of final year students, where you are going to get the outbound. For such students, your regular fees is 1295 only. And if you are having preceding semester arrear subject, one subject is there, you are supposed to pay 1445. If two subjects are there, 1595. Accordingly, you can see the chart and you can pay to your colleges respectively. Okay, but this is not applicable for one-time exit or the students who are already passed out. This is applicable to only CBCS scheme. Please be aware and careful. And also, if you are a backlog student, you have not attended any classes, you are rested at a home because of eligibility criteria, then the fee structure for you is mentioned here. If you are having only one backlog, then 245 is the fees, which includes 150 per subject, and 75 is the mass card fee, and 20 is the application fee. This is how the fee structure will be there. This is called as Annexure 4. That is in detail. I have referred to the videos also. You can go through it. Now you can see all the annexures. I have already created the video where you can visit to my YouTube channel. You can type this URL or you can scan this QR code from the other phone, by which you can easily visit the respective annexures. Annexure 1 states to, as I told you, Annexure 1 states to general instruction to students in colleges. Annexure 2 is for procedure of online filing of examination application. Annexure 3 refers to conduct of examination details for each category of student. Annexure 4 represents to eligibility chart and fee structures. So all these annexures has been detailedly explained and kept in a different parts in the YouTube. You can go through the same. Now, if you liked this information, you can make a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and you can press the bell icon to receive the latest video updates as and when it is going to be launched by the university with respect to the students, circulars or notification is concerned. Thank you. Signing off, Vijay Tavardhan, and also a happy Friendship Day to each and everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.